In this video, we will see how as a teacher, I can submit a public, private or a feedback form. So I'm logging in as a teacher and I can check the forms by going to collaboration, forms. Here I can check the public and the private forms under this forms option and the feedback forms under this feedback forms option. Also, for the feedback forms and the private forms, I will get a notification as an internal reminder. So when I click on the internal reminder system, I can check that there is a feedback form that is submitted by the admin and also a private form that is submitted by the administrator. The public form will be automatically available under the news. So if I check the news option, I can see that public form publishing announcement automatically comes up here when the admin does it. So that means the private and the feedback forms notification will come in the internal reminder system and the public forms notification will automatically become a news. To give public form, to enter the details in the public form, I am going to the news and I am checking the news description and it shows me the link where it is published. When I click on it, I can enter this public form details. So I am entering some data. So this is the public form that I am filling. So this is how the public form can be filled in. For the private and the feedback form, I will go to the messaging system and I can check that the feedback form is coming here and the private form here. When I click on the message, I get more description, and when I click on the link inside this message, I can fill in the details. So I am filling in the April Students Performance Report, which is published by the administrator. So I am entering the details here. So this is the overall report for the students. So that was a private form that I just filled in. So to check the public and private form, I can also go to collaboration forms and this link forms, where I can see all the private and the public forms that are applicable to me. I can also check the responses that I have done by clicking on view responses. So this is the response that I have given for this form, which is a private form, and also for this one. So I can also edit the response. So here I get an option to edit the response. This option is coming because when I created this form as an administrator, I have checked editable. So that means I want to give an option of editing to the users who are submitting this form. So this is about how I can view and enter the public and private forms. For the feedback forms, I'll again get a message here in the internal reminder system, and I can click on this message and click on this form, the link that is given there, and I can enter the feedback. So this feedback, since I am a teacher, I am giving the feedback against the students. So all the students of UKG are selected by the administrator as targets. That is why they come up here. So I'll be selecting the student and I'll enter the other details applicable for the student and the performance of the student. So like this, once I've entered, I can again enter for another target. So you can see this first student for whom I have given the feedback does not appear here. So I can choose another student now and enter the details for this student. So like this, I can multiply submit this form for the students who are the targets. The same can be done for the students as well, meaning that we can create a feedback form which the students will fill and the target would be the teachers. So that would be the teacher feedback form. So like this, I can give the feedback against all the students of UKG, and I can check my responses as well. So this only shows my own responses. So whenever you are looking at responses, view responses option, it will only show your own responses, which you will get an option to edit if that option is enabled by the administrator. So public and private forms appear here, and the feedback forms appear here. So this is about how, as a teacher, I can give feedback for the students, because that is a form that is created by the administrator and published, and I can enter this data. Also, let's see how, as an administrator, I can check and analyze the full details. So now, since I have got responses, I will go to collaboration, forms, and here manage forms will show me all the public, private and the feedback forms. So I will go to manage forms, and here I can see this is the form. When I click on it, here I can see the details. So these are the options that are selected by the users for whom this form was given. I can click on consolidated report, which will show me the details like this. So against this target, 3 responses are given. So it means 3 teachers might have given the response. And also we can see the overall student performance as per the weightage that you have assigned when you created this form to that option. So let's say below average was 10, average was 20, and above average was 30. So accordingly, as per out of the 3 responses, the people who have given 10, 20 or 30, accordingly it calculates and displays here. So this is about, we can also click on it and check the responses like this. So how many have given below average, how many have given average for this student. So both of them have given good for the student. So we can analyze in this way. This is the consolidated report. We also have analysis report, which we can do against a student. So when I select that target, I can check the details completely. So how many have given which option for the student. So this is the detailed report. So this analysis can only be done by the administrator or anyone with form management privilege, not by the teachers, because teachers only get an option to fill in the forms. If you assign the privilege to the teacher, then that teacher can also create the forms and analyze them. So this is the analysis about the feedback form. We can also check about the public form. We get the details here. For the public forms, we can get the details in a Excel sheet also, and then filter it as per our requirement. So this is as per what all data is entered by the teachers or by the target users. And then we have the private form. So this is one response that we've got for the private form. So here we get the details for private form as well. We can also filter. So if I want to see only the feedback forms, in a list of forms that I have here, we can filter these here. So this is about the form management system of Arena. In the next video, we will see gallery module under collaboration. So how, as a teacher, I can check the photos that are uploaded by the administrator. So be tuned in for more videos.